Hello, pigeon fanciers. With the loft ready, we are finally starting our breeding. A couple months late for 2020, but hey, better late than never. We only have about 5 or 6 pairs that we are breeding out of, so doing things on a small scale, but you know, we hope to have some big results, and we're gonna have fun regardless. So we will provide updates on this first round. Here we go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching the first round come together. Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. Here we go. Boom. This is a cock bred by Wayne Whiteley. This was a joint breeding that he and I did off of a Jones family loft bird that I purchased last year, and his foundation hen 1619 All the Luck. But yeah, he's a really nice handling bird. And so I'm starting him off this year with a hen from Joe Nemelka, who Joe named Fat Bottomed Girl. There she is. All right, let's see. Here's one of my cocks. Let's look that up. Sitting tight on the nest. This is a Jones family loft bird. It's a son out of their Superstar, originally a Gannis bird. He handles really well. He's awesome. Really excited about him. I have him paired to Djibouti, our white bird. Nice job sitting. Let's see who we got down here. Oh yes. Here we got 836, one of my favorite cocks, really. Just an awesome, awesome bird. Out of All the Luck 1619. One of the best breeding hens of Joe Nemelka's Arden hen. And he is paired with a Macaloni hen that was bred by Jones Family Loft. So really excited about that pair. Let's see. Let's keep looking around here. I'll show you guys a couple of these guys. All right. Oh, here's big, bad, mean Kronos. Looking tough. All puffed up there. Saying, I dare you to get closer. Good job, Kronos. Keep those babies warm. Aches right now. Sweet. Okay, so let's see here some of the hints. There's Black Widow. There's Djibouti. There's a Nemelka bird. Nest mates to, I think, number 5 in the Cuevas Classic. That one, no, sorry. The one on the right there, that hen is the Jones family loft bird that was, that's out of their Macaloni lines. Really nice bird, really like that. And then the one in the middle is small, nice hen out of 1619, and that Jones family loft bird that I showed you right here. It's paired with Djibouti. Yeah. So. Time to feed them. Hens are feeding. One or two cocks coming off the nest, but I'll feed the cocks later once they're all off. Just check, see how things are going, okay? Don't take it too personally. This is a macaroni hen. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see how we're still got eggs, but they are chipping. They are chipping. Let me see. Let's take a look there. Look at that. You can see where that little youngster is starting to chip through. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. We're starting to get some chipping right there. Sweet. Okay, buddy. Okay, let go. Big tough guy. Come on. Youch. That one hurt. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, Kronos. Oh boy, what we got here? Hey, hey, just look under here. We got some little babies. Oh yes, good job, Black Widow. Oh my goodness, look what we have. We have the floor covered in eggshells. What does that mean, Ian?
Babies.
Baby birds.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a quick look here, guys.
She's like fighting back.
I know. Look, guys, look, there they are. There they are. They're so cute.
He doesn't
They're
want.
so cute. No, I know. He's.
No, he doesn't want us to get the baby.
Nope, he doesn't. He's being a good dad. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Put this
Yep, very good
back in the
daddy.
spot. Okay, let's see. Let's see if Graham's baby hatched. Oh, yeah. There he is. That one's got a baby, too.
Can I see? Can't see.
Oh, that's cute. Now, let's check these guys. Hold that, Graham. Just hold it up a little bit. Okay, let's see. Oh, he's got a little baby, too.
Oh.
Pretty ugly at this stage. Right, guys? And as you can see, messy. But they're looking good. There's Djibouti's baby. White ugly duckling. All right, so today I just moved all these youngsters out of the nests and into the little box on the floor. It's the first time trying this, so we'll see how it goes. All the cocks are driving their hens pretty hard. Hens should be laying any day. Probably today they'll start laying. Let's take a look at these little guys. Grabbing the hens. Should be laying their second round. Feeding day. I think she's gonna lay tonight. That's the macaroni hen. She's a sweetie. It's feeding time. Yep, parents feeding babies. And they all pitch in, feeding each other's babies. You know, it's got the little youngsters learning how to eat on their own. Again, all the parents are feeding all the babies. Doesn't matter who the actual parent is, they're all helping out. All set up in their own section. We haven't moved over. Good job, little guys. Looking out the skylight. Like the little mustache on the white guy. Awesome. First round. It's a wrap. Put us in the game, coach. Put me in. Come on. Send me to a race.